Hey, so if Zen Browser keeps crashing randomly, freezing tabs, or shutting down during browsing, yeah, that can get really frustrating fast. The good news is there are a few fixes that usually solve the issue pretty quickly. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser crashing step by step. All right, first, close Zen Browser completely and restart your computer to clear temporary glitches. Now check if you're running the latest version because outdated builds can cause instability and crashes. Extensions are one of the most common reasons browsers crash, especially if they conflict with each other. Corrupted cache files can also trigger crashes, so clear your browsing cache and temporary data. Too many active tabs can overload memory usage and make the browser unstable. Try turning off hardware acceleration because graphics driver issues sometimes cause browser crashes. Open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and see if your CPU or RAM usage is running too high. If crashes continue, uninstall Zen Browser completely and reinstall a fresh version. Now reopen the browser and test it with normal browsing to confirm the crashing issue is fixed. And yeah, that's it. In most cases, one of these fixes will stop Zen Browser from crashing and get everything running smoothly again.